Hi, I am Dr. Surya Udai Singh, a robotic knee replacement surgeon, head of department, R. Tagore Hospital, Mukundapur, Kolkata. How do you get the balance? There are two or three things. One is the balance center is in the ear. Second balance center is in your knee joint. Basically, every joint help in balancing. The balance sensor is called as a proprioceptors. That gives the signal to the brain how you are oriented. Suppose if you are lie down, they give the sensory inputs. If you are standing, they give the inputs. So these proprioceptors are very important. So if you do the yoga, basically you recharge the proprioceptors with the different poses. They get reoriented. They always get active when you do the different poses, and these proprioceptors are very helpful in maintaining balance. And if you do the yoga, you are basically strengthening the proprioceptors. You are giving the stimulus to the proprioceptors. If these proprioceptors are very active, you can avoid the frequent fall, and that is very important for the balancing of your joints. So again, the balance is directly related to the yoga positions.